guys, it's Amber here and thanks for joining me today on my channel. In today's lesson, we are going to be learning to play Heat Waves by the Glass Animals. So for those of you who don't know, I currently live in Dubai and I absolutely love it, but sometimes the heat during the summer months can be unbearable. We're currently actually right in the middle of our summer, and so when you leave your house, you are hit in the face by a heat wave. I thought it was an absolute no-brainer, so we are learning heat waves. The first thing you're going to need to do is put your capo onto the 4th fret. Next, let's work through the chords. We're going to start on an A minor chord, to G major, to E minor, to D major, to C major, to G major, to E minor, and to D major. Now I know that might feel like a lot and quite a mouthful of chords to remember, but if you look at the chords carefully, you'll see that there's a lot of repetition there. So I promise with practice, you will pick it up really, really easily. When we talk about the strumming pattern, I would suggest playing something like this: down, up, down, 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 up, on each chord of the progression. Down, up, down, 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 up. Suggest using that same strumming pattern as well as that chord sequence throughout the song until you reach the bridge. So we will be starting on a C chord and we're going to do 2 strums on each chord. I just want to know what you're dreaming of when you sleep and smile so comfortable. I just wish that I could give you that look that's perfectly unsad. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Heat waves been faking me out. 1, 2, 3 to the chorus, and sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Alright you guys, thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please will you subscribe and like this video if you haven't done so already, and then hop on over to Instagram and please follow me there for more tips and tricks on any beginner guitar material, and see you in the next video. Bye!